Hello, children. How are you all? Welcome back to your social studies class. In our previous class, we have started the trip to the globe. So let's carry on the trip further. Latitudes and longitudes. A set of imaginary circles and semicircles run across the globe, and these horizontal and vertical lines are drawn on it to locate the places on the globe. Latitudes and parallels. The full horizontal circles are called the latitudes. This is the horizontal line on the earth, and these full horizontal circles were the latitudes. These latitudes are parallel to the equator. These latitudes are parallel to the equator. So they go around the earth like the equator. The length of the parallel decreases. The length of the parallel decreases as we move upwards or downwards. That is, as we move towards the pole, the length of these latitude decreases. Remember, we have learned in our previous class that these poles were termed to be as the points. The parallels are located at an equal distance from each other. The distance between two parallels are equal. Now let's learn some important numbering of parallels. Foremost is the equator. It is at 0 degree. The North Pole, which is represented as capital N, is at 90 degree north. And the South Pole is represented as capital S, and it is at 90 degree south. Some important latitudes. Equator is at 0 degree. You must have learned till now. Then if we move toward the northern hemisphere, the topmost hemisphere is the northern hemisphere. The foremost is the Tropic of Cancer, which is at 23.5 degree north. Then we have Arctic Circle at 66 degree north. Then we have North Pole at 90 degree north. And if we move towards the southern hemisphere, foremost we have Tropic of Capricorn at 23.5 degrees south. Then Antarctic Circle at 66 degrees south. And then we have South Pole at 90 degrees. Longitudes or the meridians. The vertical lines are the semicircles that run from North Pole towards the South Pole are the longitudes. They are of same length. Every longitude is of same length. The distance between the meridians is maximum at the equator and keeps on decreasing as we move towards the pole. As we move towards the pole, the distance keeps on decreases. The meridians cut each other at 90 degrees. These meridians cut each other at 90 degrees. The longitude of a place is measured east and west of the prime meridian. The longitude is measured according to the prime meridian, whether it lies on the east side or the west side. There are 360 meridians which were drawn at an interval of 1 degree. These vertical lines are of 360s and these were drawn at an interval of 1 degree. The prime meridian is at 0 degree longitude and 180 meridians towards the east are marked with capital E, while 180 meridian towards the west were marked as capital W. The international date line is an imaginary line that runs on Earth's surface from North Pole to the South Pole. From North Pole towards the South Pole is the international date line. When you cross the international date line, a day increases or a day decreases. Whenever you cross an international date line, the date as well as the day increase or decrease. As you move from west to east, the day decreases, you loses one day, and as you move from east to west, you gain one day. Now, what are grids? The latitude and longitudes form a network. If you see the latitudes and longitudes, they are forming a network over here, and which these networks help us in locating the places accurately on the global grid. So, latitude and longitudes form a network which forms a grid. Thank you all. Hope you have enjoyed this trip of the globe. We will meet again later in our next video. Till then, keep learning and keep growing. Bye.